Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am again in front of you with the lecture of class 11. In the lecture of class 11, today I will solve next question of 9.2 exercise. This is my second lecture of this exercise, that is of sequent and series. Exercise 9.2, I will start from the question number 8, in which you have to find the common difference if s of n is given to you. So how we will solve this? So I will take Sn, that is equals to Pn plus Qn square. I will take the value term 1, that is always equals to the sum of 1, then and put n equals to 1, that P plus Q. Okay. Now for finding the value of 2, we have the formula S2 minus S1. You all know in class 10th, you all done that Sn minus 1. This is the formula of nth term. So for finding the sum of the second term, I will subtract the second sum of two terms minus sum of one terms. So I will just put the value 2 here in place of n. That is 2p plus 2 to the 4q. This is 4q minus S1 is p plus q. Now I will subtract 2p plus 4q minus p minus q. After subtracting 2p minus p, that is p. 4 minus 3, that is 3q, right? So this is T2 and T1. We have to find common difference. Common difference is equals to T2 minus T1. So I will take T2, that is p plus 3q minus T1, that is p plus q. So I will take p plus 3q minus p minus q. This p and p will cancel. 3 minus 1, this is 2q. So this is the way to solve question number 8. Now come to the question number 9. That is also very simple. You have to take the sum of two terms. That two terms, sum is of two terms is given to you, and you have to find the ratio. Sum's ratio is given to you. The ratio of the sum of nth terms are given to you, and you have to find the value of the ratios of the 18th term. So how we can find? First of all, I will start with the two different A and D, because there are two different AP. Okay, according to question, let first AP has first term is equals to A and common difference is equals to D. And let second AP, let in first AP, so I will write in, let in first AP, in second AP first term is, this is first AP, first term is equals to capital A, and the common difference is capital D. According to question says that the sum of n term of two APs are in the ratio. The sum of n upon sum of other AP is equals to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. First of all, I will put the value n by 2 times of A plus n minus 1 into D close divided by n by 2 times of A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Now this n by 2 and n by 2 will cancel. What is the next step? In the next step, I will take 2 common. When you take 2 common, A plus n minus 1 upon 2D, and here we have 2 common, A plus n minus 1 upon 2D is equals to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6, right? So this 2 and 2 will cancel. I have this 2 and 2 will cancel. A plus n minus 1 upon 2. Now I want the ratio of 18th term, so that we should have 17 here. According to question, we need 17. N minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 17. And what is the value of n? That is n minus 1 is equals to 34 and n equals to 35. So I will put the value in equation 1. I will give the name equation 1, that is A plus 35 minus 1, 34 upon 2, that is 17D upon A, capital A plus 17, this is capital D, right? So capital D is equals to, when you put the value 35 plus 4 upon 9, 35 plus 6. So I will give after calculation 179 upon 321. So this is the way to solve these two questions. Now come to the next question. Now my next question is sum of first p terms of an AP is equals to the sum of q terms. Find the sum of p plus q8 term. So first of all I will take the given terms which is given to us, that is sum of p term. Sp is equals to Sq, right? Let us suppose a term first is a. The first term is a and common difference is d. P by 2 time of a plus p minus 1 into d is equals to q by 2 time of a plus q minus 1 into d, right? This 2 and 2 will cancel. I will multiply p 2ap plus p minus 1 into d is equals to 2aq plus q minus 1 into d. I will take these two terms on the left hand side, that 2ap minus 2aq plus p square minus p into d minus q square minus plus q. So I will take this positive, that is in negative, minus d is equals to 0. Now I will take d common between these two and 2a from this, 2ap minus q, and when I take d, this is p square minus p minus q square plus q and d, that is equals to 0. Now I will take p square and q square together, 2ap minus q plus it will equals to p square minus q square. I will take negative common. In this bracket I will take small bracket, and in this we have p minus q is into d is equals to 0. That is 2ap minus q and plus this is a minus b and a plus b minus p minus q and d is equals to 0. P minus q take one of the common factor as a p minus q, and inside the bracket we have p plus q minus 1 into d is equals to 0, right? And p minus 1 and p minus 1 is common, so I will again take these two common. P minus q is a common factor, so I have 2a plus p plus q minus 1. This is p plus q minus 1 into d is equals to 0. This goes on right hand side, will become 0. So 2a plus p plus q minus 1 d is equals to 0. So we have this quantity that will equals to 0. Now I will find the sum of p plus q at term. Sum of p plus q at term, that is p plus q divided by 2. 2 time of a plus p plus q minus 1 into d, close the bracket. Now I will put the value that is equals to 0. I will take 0 and put here, this is p plus q upon 2 into 0. 0 into something, that is 0. So the answer, the value, find the sum. The sum is always equals to 0 because the above quantity is equals to 0. 0 into something, that is 0. Now come to the next question. Now my next question is sum of p, q and r terms of an AP is ABC, and you have to prove the given quantity. This will you prove, and left hand side should be equals to the right hand side. You have to prove this value. So I will start with the sum of first p terms, that is equals to a. So I will write it as p by 2. So I will take first term as a capital A plus p minus 1 as a capital D is equals to a. Now in the given quantity we have a by p. So I will write a by p, that is half 2 time of a plus p minus 1 into d is equals to a by p. Similarly, we will take second, this is s of q term is equals to b. So that is q by 2 time of a, that is capital A plus q minus 1 into capital D is equals to b. right? So I want b by 2, that b by q I want to put here. So this is b by q and that is equals to 1 by 2. This b q comes here and become half 2 times of a plus q minus 1 into d. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now I will start from s, q, then r. This is r. S of r is equals to c. So I will take r by 2 plus 2 times of a plus r minus 1 into d is equals to c. So I want the value of c by r to put here. So I will take this r and come in this denominator. So it will equals to the equation number 3. Now I will take left hand side to make it equals to 0. That is a by p, q minus r plus b by q, r minus p plus c by r, p minus q. Now from 1, 2 and 3. So I will put the value from 1, 2 and 3. What is the values? First a by p, that is equals to half of 2a plus p minus 1 into d and q minus r along with this plus b by q, that is b by q is equals to, this is b by q, that is half 2 times of a plus q minus 1 into d and along with this is b by q's form and r minus p. Okay, this is r minus p plus c by r. What is the value of c by r? Half 2 times of a plus r minus 1 into d and along with p minus q. Now I will simplify it to make the answer. The right hand side is equals to 0. So I will rub from above side to do the next steps. Okay, so I will start with the last step. What is in that step? See, it is very simple step. First of all, you will take half inside the bracket. I will take half inside the bracket in each step. So what is the next step? That is equals to, when you take half, a plus q minus 1 half, because half multiply d and along with this q minus r plus half come inside a plus q minus 1 upon 2d and r minus p, right, plus half then come inside a plus r minus 1 upon 2d and p minus q. Now I will take a and a. At 3 terms we have a, and when you multiply it with this we get q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. Okay, plus I will take d common and half. When you will take d common in half, the term is q minus 1 q minus r plus q minus 1. This is q and q, no, this is p. So this is, I will write it as p, right? So this is p minus 1 q minus r, q minus 1 r minus p, and the last one is r minus 1 into p minus q, right? Now I will take this q and q, r, p, p. This will equals to 0. 0 into something, finished. So d by 2. I will take this multiplication pq minus pr minus q plus r plus qr minus pq minus r plus p plus pr minus qr minus p plus q. Close the bracket. Now I will cancel pq with pq, pr and pr will cancel, q and q will cancel, p and p will cancel, r and r, qr positive and qr. So each and every term is equals to 0. Okay, so I will write each and every term. The value is equals to, this is a into 0 plus that will equals to 0. So no need to write twice. So this is equals to 0. I will write 0 plus d by 2 and inside the bracket there is a 0. So 0 plus 0, that is totally 0. That is your right hand side. So this is the way to solve the question. You need to do more question like this. Do the practice of this type of questions. Thank you.